Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to manage your music catalog, check release status, and update your tracks on Gotchscape. Are you wondering where to find your music after you submit? First, log into www.distro.gotchscape.com. On the left side, click a catalog. Or you can use the Releases button on your dashboard. For the first time you open the catalog page, a small box will pop up. It will ask if it can use your email to show your music. Click the Allow to continue. Inside the catalog, you'll see 4 tabs. That is, the Instructions or Overview tab, the Submitted, Approved, and the Unverified tab. Let's start with the Instructions tab. This section explains how to use the dashboard and what each part does. It's a good idea to read it first. The Submitted tab is where you will see all your music that is waiting to be approved. Once your music is approved, it moves to the Approved tab. This means your song is live and being shared to music platforms. The Unverified tab is for songs that need fixing or more details before they can be approved. Check here for anything you need to update. To change your track details, go to your approved releases and click the Update Track Details button at the top. You'll see a form where you can update your info. If you ever get stuck, you can check the Instructions tab or head to Gotchscape's Support Hub for help. And that's it. You're now ready to manage your music catalog like a pro with Gotchscape. Connect with us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all music streaming platforms at Gotchscape Entertainment. For any inquiries, you can always reach out to us and let us keep the music playing. Call us on 0104 624 190. Send us an email on info@gotchscape.com. Or visit our website at www.gotchscape.com.